we have improved dry running capabilities, I would say especially for the smaller pump. We're looking on the whole range.
Yeah, I cannot hear you.
Okay.
Sorry.
I will try to speak louder. Yeah. And then one of the things is easier to service. And this is for the whole range, from the Grindex up to the Matador and the sludge pumps. Then we have the Grindex and the Minette. We have seen in some areas problem with wear on the impeller for the Grindex and the single phase Minette. So I will try to describe the different areas here, at least some of the features or the redesign that we will do on the new range. And go to the next slide. I have 6 different areas here. The first thing is the improved O-ring seat design. We have looked into the critical areas of the pump, which is related to the stator housing, for example, the intermediate piece. We have seen increased corrosion in some areas. So what we're doing right now is to redesign the O-ring seats in order to prevent the area from water and also oxygen, because oxygen, of course, increases the corrosion. So that's one area. The second area is handling and service. You know for a fact that some of the pumps are quite difficult to carry. You have to handle, of course, but then you have a strainer. It's quite difficult to get grip on the strainer. So what we're doing here is try to redesign the bottom of the strainer in order to get a better grip on it. And I think this is especially for minor and major. Master maybe. So it goes in a little bit, so you can put a hook or something. Yeah. Okay.
And one thing which we find very difficult after 8 to 12 months, most of the time you can't read the serial number anymore.
That's the data plate.
Is it only happening in Austria or is it?
Our pumps come back, they don't have dollar plates.
Because I recognize that in South America the seals are lasting, the mechanical seals, and obviously the Europe not, and obviously in Belgium and Holland and in Austria we get noisy pumps, minor and major, but nowhere else.
Select them.
I don't believe that's all
This goes to Belgium and this.
I think it's worth watching here as well, the data plates, see if there's something we can do there.
I think long-term solution for data plate is that even though it will be maybe more rugged, better in size, it's still going to be lost. I think down the road, it should be inside the smart card.
Well, that's what we do. We actually every time the pump comes through for a bid, we don't do it on sale, it's not business. Every time we receive a pump for the bed, before that unit goes out the bed, we actually engrave it inside the junction box. Just engrave the serial number.
Yeah, you can't see the serial number anymore.
In case the next time it comes back and the serial number is got it inside the pump.
Yeah, something inside the pump or